Ameona kuku. Yeah.
Apana.
I'm lonely, so lonely. Come see me if you want it. You want it. Won't even have to ask. This love is true, no doubt.
Hi.
Shout it from my love. Oh, you make me feel so.
Hug me, bye. I love you. Bye.
Hurts when you look into my eyes. Oh, everything's alright. You got that certain kind of love.
Hi guys, my camera is dirty. So I think that's better. Hi guys. So I want to just have my first meal. It's not really my first meal. I did snack in the morning, crepes. So I was craving fries. So I made those fries and sausage. So let's dig in. Nime crave chipo by the way, but I've really reduced the frequency venye mukula fries. Kitambo kwanza January, December I used to eat fries on a daily. Anyway, so I'll do that as I watch. Hope you're well.
I'm lonely, so lonely. Come see me if you want it. You want it. Won't even have to ask no question. In my eyes, you worth it. You read the fine print perfect. The details, you made me feel like this is for certain. You already made it past my number, and I made you wear the winter in the summer. I need something that's gonna put me under. I'll take you there so you don't have to wonder. Come see about me, come see about me,
Iko sawa. Classy women, where? There is a Bella. Naka Margaret. So perfect.
This love is true, no doubt about it. In love with you, I wanna shout it from my lungs.
Hi guys, good afternoon. It's like 3 something. I'm from waking up like minutes ago. I've taken a power nap and it's so cold. Okay, so I'm here in the kitchen. I want to make myself some fries. You guys know I can take fries like on a daily, so I'm craving viazi zenye zimewekwa garlic powder na paprika. That's why I ordered nilitumana before nilale. So let's make that real quick. Na nilisema wanieke viazi kubwa kubwa cause sipendi kuchonga hizo vitu ndogo yake. I hope you guys are doing well. This is the start of a new vlog. I should edit the other one again and post it by tomorrow. Okay, sorry. The weather has really changed. It's cold. Hadi ni upepe imeniamsha. So I've slept like for 2 hours. Akili yangu imechoka. Anyway, I hope you're okay. Nitawaonyesha results.
Flashing in my eyes, in my eyes. I see your face in the rearview mirror, and for a second it's making me shiver. I blink twice, keep my eyes on the road. Where it will take me, nobody knows. Cause I got no reason to go back home, to go back home. No, I got no reason to go back home, to go back home. Nobody's there for me. Nobody's there for me. You were my remedy.
Hi guys, so I'm just from taking my shower and I left my chicken marinating because I didn't have time niweke overnight. I've placed it, I usually place it kwa fridge. I've done this a multiple kwa freezer part. So yeah, and today I've really like tried going a different direction. Like I've used a couple of ingredients that I don't use and I'm excited to see how it turns out, but it looks so good. And one thing about me, I'll experiment. Yeah, so I've added a little twist to my usual KFC recipe. I'll share with you once imetoka vizuri. I haven't even filmed. I haven't filmed in like 3 days. Let me show you guys how my cooker looks and the remaining pieces. It looks so good. I love the color. So these are the pieces that are meant to deep fry. Yeah. And this is what is cooking. Nangoja iive then try it. But it looks so good. I love the golden, what's it called? Golden color. It looks so good. Naka KFC by the way. I'll actually stick to this recipe if I like the results because I've added a twist to it. So it looks like that. It looks like so. The lighting isn't the best. Bye.
This love is true, no doubt about it. In love with you, I wanna shout it from my love.
Looks so nice. Yellow inakaa chicken in, more of chicken in. Mboga kienyeji, ugali, and ketchup. This is cold soda. Yeah, it's yummy, already tasted. See you guys tomorrow. I want to watch as I eat.
This love is true, no doubt about it. In love with you, I wanna shout it from my love.
Hi guys, good morning. So I didn't even get a chance to do an intro while in the house because we were rushing to Tokyo kwa nyumba, and Tamtam, of course, Tamtam was dropped at school first, and then I'm here now for my appointment, which is supposed to be for 9 a.m. and it's currently 8:32. So I have like 28 minutes to kill before my appointment if you can. And I'm actually the first one, like appointment ones are 9. So after that I have some few errands. I need to get something for my friend. I go to shop fulani hapa Kenyatta Avenue. Then I go to the supermarket, grab some things. Then there's something I really wanted. I gave out my, you know, ile all time like jeans yenye unavaanga like black. So I really am struggling because it's an essential kwa closet. So I need to replace that, and I'm hoping nitaipata kwa Jose. Then after that, I think I'm just going to go home. Let me show you guys my outfit of the day. It's very simple. I just feel like doing bag. I love this shirt trouser. It's very comfortable. You guys can see my shoes, so let me incline it a little bit more. So these are the shoes. And this top. You get the idea. So that's me today. Today's on Tuesday. I don't think I said that. And I'm here for my appointment here. Dentist, that is. This is the color we did last time. Color blue. So today I'm feeling niende colorless. Also my birthday is in like less than 2 weeks. Today's date 6 summer and my birthday is on the 14th. It's almost 1 week away, like 8 days. So I'm not really excited by that, to be honest. The last time I was excited for my birthday, which was like last year, I saw fire. That's the time when Tamtam got injured and almost lost his finger. So now when I'm approaching even just the month of March, inanipatia anxiety because I'm triggered. Nakumbuka everything that went down and how March was really one of the worst months. But we thank God, every day I cover my son with the precious blood of Jesus Christ. May God go before him, and accidents happen, so that's the consolation I give myself. But this is me. I've just done my skincare, moisturizer, and SPF, and yeah, I think we'll go and wait there. I also need to use the washroom. This is the color that I did last time. Due for a check. Let's go. Hi guys, so the most embarrassing thing happened to me today. Niko took appointment, so I'm actually in the supermarket, Naivas. I'm here for one thing and one thing only. Lonion, today's on Monday. Yeah, I want yogurt for Tamtam. Abebe kesho shule. Amekuwa kibeba maziwa, like flavored milk, but ni kama amechoka nazo. So I want yogurt for Tamtam and Omo, and then we can go. Today the most embarrassing thing has happened to me. Na nitawaambia nikifika home. So crazy. Bye. And then when students are going to school, so the place is like a little bit packed. I'm looking for Omo. This is me. Already showed you guys my outfit. Yeah, nimechukua yogurt at Tam Tam. I just took one so that you can alternate with the milk. That atakuja ingine. Chukua Omo. These are crazy.
Come see me if you want it, you want it. Won't even have to ask no question. In my eyes, you worth it. You read the fine print perfect. The details, you made me feel like this is for certain. You already made it past my number, and I made you wear the winter in the summer.
Come say hapana here, Baba. Come say hapana. Tab.
Apana.
Come say hapana. Ati?
Apana.
Tam. Ati what? Hi guys, good morning. So let me wipe the camera. No, camera is blurry. Oh, it's the lighting. Let's switch on this light. Hi guys, good morning. I woke a bit early today. It's minutes to 7 a.m. No, it's 7:01, and I've woken up. I think it was 6:45, and I'm done with praying. Then nimekuja jikoni. So I have this concern. I don't know if it's a normal concern. So mom's parents, ebu saidieni msichana. So Tamtam, I'd like to say like my son is like a picky eater. 1 minute anapenda banana, kesho hataki ndizi. 1 minute anapenda watermelon, after a few days or the next week hataki watermelon. 1 minute anapenda he's just always like he's I don't know how to explain it. So I've not been like sijakuwa like I'm really not the person mwenye nitashinda like nimekataa. Like I want him to get used to everything and to eat what is available because it's very important. Juu sasa if anataka kuku kila saa, we can't even like do that. Anyway, so I'm here in the kitchen. I want to prepare his snacks. He's not been eating cake for a while now. Na hajakuwa akikula, and amekuwa akienda with this. I'll show you guys some flavored milk that he was loving just few days ago, and all of a sudden the whole of last week he didn't like the milk. He was coming with the milk full intact, iko bado tu kwa the box. So in any stress juu it means he's not taking his snacks in school, and I don't like that because he's playing, he's learning, so he needs energy. Na kama akuli vitu anabeba, it's sad. So ameenda na hiyo maziwa amerudi nao kama thrice, and even when he's taking the milk at home, unaona tu like ni kama anajilazimisha or you're forcing him. So I think it's because it's flavored, as I said, I don't know Tamtam's reason, but at first he loved the milk. So I wanted some few snacks for him, just for a change. So today I'm thinking I prepare sandwich for him, like bread sandwich, and then I just want to try out some new things, nione nini atapenda, so that we can stick to that, ama I get like some few options so that we can be alternating. Because najua anapenda the small mandazis, anapenda crepes, anapenda the corn starch, whatever I showed you guys in the last vlog. And he also loves, what else does he love? Yogurt, normal milk that is not flavored. Hii milk ya flavored ndio naona akikataa. So we're going to try out something different. There's a time I used to take sandwiches a lot, and he used to like my breakfast. So we're going to try out the sandwiches today. Then we can alternate with the mandazis, then crepes for the remaining days of the week. I hope you get it. Yeah, because we anarudi na food hakuli. Yesterday alikunywa because I think it was like normal milk. So let me show you guys in a few. At first I even thought that he was sick because It's unlike him kwenda na food na arudi nayo. When you put queen cake for him, he comes home with it. But pia kwa nyumba wakuli queen cakes. So he loves this. So I have this. I have this. Alafu ni tamu because it's in this flavor. The lemon is a bit kumbali. So I asked for this. And anapenda crisps. So you cannot go wrong with this one. And this is just the normal flavor or the normal brand that he's been taking for years for yogurt. And so for drinks, I think he'll alternate between this one and just the normal milk, like, which is not flavored, or some afia juice. Or what else does he like? We're just trying it out to just spend it. When my son is not eating any fresh shangi, I have this beef brawn. Tam used to love my sandwiches. I never used to get this for him. They're usually mine, but I'm enjoying it. And then there's this new, I saw like inakaa kama nyama bite. CJ kula hii, by the way. At first I thought the smoked sausages, it's just like, what is it called? Yeah, I think in Itanga was smoked. Anyway, these ones are written like they're ready to eat nyama snack. So I think they're giving nyama bite, right? So I don't even have to fry them. I don't know. But I'll try frying one. Shallow fry in one tuone if there's added flavor ama nitaharibu. But they say that unaweza kula hivyo. So I think today a baby sandwich. Yeah. Na yogurt because I don't have an alternative. So this is like part of what alikuwa nakata, the flavored milk. And at first he was going crazy with them. He was taking them, he was loving them. Kulikuwa na strawberry na kulikuwa na hii vanilla, but not from Daima, they were from Lato. Yep. I also want to be so like akienda shule, like on a daily, if I'm able to like, if people are able to pack for him, because sometimes I don't pack his snacks. So before nilale nitakuwa ninajua nini atabeba kesho. Just asikwe ni ile like boredom, because kuna siku hakukuwa na another alternative, so he had to carry the milk twice. I think that's why hata aliboeka nayo haki. He had to carry the same flavor like leo na kesho. I'm overthinking. Anyway, I also want to up his fruit intake. Tamtam anapenda fruits na saa zingine anakatanga, so you have to be like strict on him. No, Tamtam, you have to like show him another way. So today we are going to be doing this, some few slices of melon and a bread sandwich. And I still think that I need nini. What do I need? I still think that it's not okay. I was feeling that the sandwich tenda pamoja na nini, na juice or milk, because curry na yogurt, it's like heavy. So let me see, I might actually change it to like normal milk or afia juice, because the bread itakuwa like a bit like dry. Okay, this is me like figuring out. Yeah, let's do that.
This love is true, no doubt about it. In love with you, I wanna shout it from my lungs. Oh, you make me feel so strong, 'cause you're always on my mind. Oh, please say you'll be mine, 'cause when you look into my eyes, oh, everything's alright. You got that certain kind of love, you got that groovy kind of hugging, the kind that makes you crazy.
Wait, sorry. Nimewaangusha. Okay, guys. Tamtam is going to school. Ametoka tu sahi, and I want to make my bread sandwich. I like mine na kitungu. So I'll fry an onion. You see venye mtu fry alafu like maybe when you're making hot dogs, yeah, exactly. Like I want to fry the onion, and then just before nieke the brown between the bread, that's when I'll put my caramelized onions. So let's fry this onion, and then yeah, we'll have the sandwich. You know, for the vibes, the extraness. But even ukikula tu hivyo mimi na feeling tu iko sawa, even without like putting it kwa sandwich maker, it's just okay. But the extra step inaongezanga flavor. So let's do that. And then I'll catch you guys in a few after nimemaliza kumake. Nitawaonyesha what I meant. I just wanted my onions to be caramelized, and then I can add them to the bread, then niweke kwa sandwich maker. Yeah, so already it has taste, so you can also go in with spices, but also taste your onions if it's really okay. So let's go and make the sandwich now.
Come see me if you want it, you want it. Won't even have to ask no question. In my eyes.
So I'm waiting like for like 3 minutes. So I want to try this out. I feel like nimesema before. I think ini kama like nyama bite, and I really used to love nyama bite, but nilikuwa nataka smoked sausages. So nikonfuziwa. Ready to eat. I think inanukia kama tu nyama bite anyway. So yeah.
This love is true, no doubt about it. In love with you, I wanna shout it from my love.
So it's so hot already. Na nikiamka kulikuwa na baridi, so I have to even wear a sweater. So this is me. To try sweater. What you've seen me doing, that's really how I maintain cleanliness hapa. So Tamtam today was taking eggs from the room. I've mentioned it before that when anakula, when he's getting ready for school, sometimes just so that you can save time, I can feed him from here majilishe. So leo, you know how boiled eggs na watoto, it can be messy. So there are a few like aliangusha, which is okay. Now so we have settled that. Now I want to have breakfast. I actually have a couple of things that I need to do. Today I want to declutter my closet. The last big closet decluttering that I did was in July, and I want to do another one because my closet is still so full, yet I gave away so many clothes. So I don't know why I always feel the need to like declutter things when it's almost my birthday. So my birthday is exactly 1 week away, and I also have plans to shoot content today. Sit down video, I think a life update, or I've always wanted to do this video, yeah, things that I've learned in my 26 years. I started wanting to do this when I turned 25, and I've never done it. So it's almost 2 years later because I'm turning 27 in a week. Okay, it's so scary. So I want to have breakfast as I finish watching up, as I finish watching a movie. It's actually a series. Now watch Gani, Our Kind of People. Is it from Netflix? I don't know, but I'm using the app that I told you guys about, Movie Box. It's so efficient. You just download movies and watch, and it's so fast. When you download data kama unatumia bundles, it's very fast. So I'll do that. I'll enjoy my breakfast over the series. I think I have 2 episodes left, and then after which tutatulia kidogo. Nowadays I have this habit, when I wake up I'll listen. Am I Kikuyu again? I'll listen to a sermon, I'll journal a bit, and I'll try doing something productive, maybe editing a video or applying for something. Yeah, so I've been really loving that routine. By the time jioni inafika, I usually feel like I have had a productive day. And jana niliedit video, so leo today's plan is to shoot a video because I've already posted. Yeah, it's about to go live in a few. So nimeongea sana. Let me remove my sweater, then we enjoy breakfast. I hope you guys are well. I hope I said good morning. Yeah, this is me. I think it's almost 9. It's 8:41 a.m. Leo Tamtam walienda mapema vizuri. So bye guys.
Come see me if you want it, you want it. Won't even have to ask no question. In my eyes, you worth it. You read the fine print perfect. The details, you made me feel like this is for certain. You already made it past my number, and I made you wear the winter in the summer. I need something that's gonna put me under. I'll take you there so you don't have to wonder. Come see.
Hi guys. Nimekimbia kidogo. So I'm here to pick Tamtam. I thought I'd be late, like by some few minutes, but I'm on time. Hawajafika bado. So before the driver gets here, he calls anasema we're almost. Anakupatia kama like time ya kufika hapa. So let me go get my baby. Whew. Okay, it's so hot. Twendeni Tamtam. Say hi. Hi. How are you? Uncle Sam has gone home, has brought my Toto home. I carry you, I baby. Child secured or picked up. Alafu there's a construction going on kwa hii estate. They are constructing the road, so we've had like to zunguka. Yeah, tell them where you're going. Kuku. Yeah, Kuku. Kuku, come. So there's a construction ongoing. And Tamtam hapendi kusaidiwa bag. Hataki nimbebe. Anangangana na najua amechoka, but he never lets anyone carry his bag. But najua by the time trafika hii nini ya chini ataitika nimbebe. The construction in around the estate, so they have blocked one area. So we've used the other area cause hata gari haiwezipita. So where we pick him, imekuwa mbali kidogo leo. Let me show you guys. Hapa itabidi tu nimbebe, itabidi akubali. Look, mawe. I carry you mgongo. Kama carry. Okay. Sawa. Tamtam, why are you crying? Okay, sorry. Why are you crying? Mbona daddy bad? Ndachapa. What do you want? What do you want? But you took eggs in the morning, 2 eggs. But you took egg in the morning. There is this tamu, nyama and rice. Here's the eggs. Right? Okay, cry, come. Sorry. Okay. Sorry. 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 Don't cry. Can I warm the rice? We eat the rice as you wait for your egg. No. You have to eat though. So you'll eat your egg. We are cooking. Baba, don't jump there. This is your egg. Okay. Okay, I've heard you, but I'm asking, apart from egg, can you eat this one? No. Okay. And will you eat this sandwich you were kishon? Mom, go sleep. You want to go sleep? Okay, you want to go sleep in the bed? Bed. So you eat when you wake up? eat when you wake up. Let me take my phone. Come here. Hey, I'm even sweating. After Tamtam Malale, I'll go shower. So he has a lot of tantrums. I'm guessing
No, monkey.
You want to watch monkey?
Monkey.
Okay, stop crying, Daddy. Okay. Shori, say hi to people.
Hi.
Don't cry. So he has a yes,
monkey.
Okay, watch here kwa tablet. Okay.
No, monkey.
Kwa TV.
Disney.
TV. Not here.
Monkey.
Okay. Let me put potato monkey. You want tantrums? It's very funny. Tamtam sometimes anakujanga and it's chaotic. Tantrums. He's also tired. So he was just sleepy. That's why he was fussy and stuff. So he cried his heart out that anataka mayai. But asubuhi alikuwa amekula mayai mbili. Tamtam loves eggs so much, but it's not advisable for him to have like that's excess protein. It's not healthy. Too much. But you know what? I had to boil it because there are times in Afkanga you just can't deal with it. You just give him and let him be. Jusasa. It's just so funny. And then I'm telling him, Tamtam, wait for the egg, even ikweke, then you sleep. But his shirt was dirty, so wanakulanga shule pia. So maybe today walipika kitu anapenda, he was full. That's why he didn't want food. So I already removed the rice and meat, but atakula kiamka ama sapa ikuwe hiyo yake. But yo yeah. So the egg imeiva but nimewekea kando. He'll just eat it. Juu sasa juu ataamka kiitisha. One thing about my son who asahau. Na hii love yake ya mayai. He loves eggs extremely from kitambo. And you know ile tabia yangu yenye I love street eggs and I used to like pia smokies sana. And the dad is like me. So tungeenda tusimame kwa plug wetu. Tamtam will eat from the time he was 1 year because this Antonga Devi ni msafi, trust his eggs, maji ni poa. We've never had any problem with it. And Tamtam has been eating his eggs for a while, for long actually. So hapo ndio alianza kula mbili. Na sasa he loves it. You can't tame that. Anyway, I just want to go and watch. I think I'll shower later. Because I may fall asleep to sahi. Nikishawa sahi ndamwamsha juu ni bedroom yangu. So let him fall asleep kabisa, then you can go shower. So as for the snacks, he carried this afia juice and it's not even halfway. Is it even halfway? It's barely halfway. So he took the afia juice and 2 slices of watermelon. He loves melon, and half of this sandwich, just the half. Oh god, but we've really gotten better. I was expecting a really lunchbox yote, but I may try. So this one's at a statupa, he'll still eat them. Yeah, I hope. Nataka tuwazoe kukula vitu a bit healthy. So today we tried fruits. I've tried oranges before and he ate them akakuja tu na kidogo. Because sometimes I think it's too much for him na katumbo kake ni kadogo and I overpack. Yeah, that's the situation. Let me go watch, guys. So the first thing akifika kwa nyumba is usually to remove his school clothes, wash his hands and eat. The baby is asleep. Unasikia dia na nini anasno. I've come here for my water. After a few minutes I'll come shower. That's baby. Good night, my baby.